Go home happy with the 2017 Infiniti Qx80. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Spacious luxury and rugged capability are yours in this handsome QX80. 3-row seating, advanced entertainment and safety tech, a suite of premium creature comforts, and brawny V8 power make this commanding SUV your go-to for family adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, 3rd-row seat memory, trip computer. You only live once. Live large. Get into this spacious QX80 and go. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.